Okay, another Dead Island car crash. I'm near the beach. Um, Near actually the starting beach. There aren't any roads near the beach. I don't even really fully understand how this happened, but yeah, there's my car. Let's go check it out. Well, here it is. I wanted to see if I could get it down to the beach, I guess, so well, there's a lifeguard. There is the lifeguard tower. I'm playing with one hand and recording this with my phone. This kind of sucks. Hard to play. Okay, there's the staircase that I drove it off of. And there's that little ramp thingy. Right over. One-handed gameplay for the lose. Right here. I think I splattered that zombie. Yeah, I did. Take the money. Landed down there. Got stuck. Managed to get over there. Yeah. This is really embarrassing. I am a terrible driver. I think I'm gonna make a bunch of videos describing, well, not really describing, but showing how much I suck at driving in Dead Island. I mean, this doesn't even seem physically possible. I mean, it's being held back by like a rope. Being held back by a rope. I bounced off that umbrella earlier. What the hell? This game is awesome, though. But, God, I suck at driving.